Very fast and easy how to use the built-in compass that's in your Samsung Galaxy A54. Very easy, but you must do an extra setup because the option is here in the edge panel. So what you're gonna do first, if you don't have activated this edge panel, I'm gonna show you fast how to do it and how to put the compass there. So go to settings, then you're gonna find the display option, then you're gonna go down and find here the panel edge. Here it is. So maybe you have it turned off. Now you turn it on and you're gonna enter the option, and now go to here this option called panel apps, and here by default is only activated the first one, but you're gonna activate this one called tools, and all you have to do is that. Now when you enter the panel option, if you swipe again, you can see here here is the panel. Now you can do and access the panel. Like, subscribe, and thank you.